Hey guys, this is Sapir again. Welcome to UVW tutorial series in 3D Studio Max. This is the second tutorial of this series. This time we're going to learn about peel mode and why UV island must maintain some distance between them. For resource files, take a look at the description box. To understand the idea, let's unwrap another object. This time we're going to unwrap this paper plane. You can see it's a very simple model. Let's apply a checker pattern material to it. You can see the pattern is stressed, meaning the UVW is not done yet. We could simply start UVW here, but since you already saw UVW for a simple object, let's activate all the modifiers and add unwrap UVW at the top. Now we have to UVW for this high poly model. Let's disconnect the checker pattern for a moment. Here I am selecting the edges by simply double click, which will select an edge loop. Let's find out another edge loop. When looking for an edge loop, try to find something where unfolding is easy. Don't hesitate. If it's not good, we can undo anytime. Here I select an edge loop which is not good because its flow seems unnecessary. Let's find another. This is a good one. Convert the edge selection to seams. I guess we have enough. Keep in mind, when marking edge loop for cutting marks, do not overdo it, and also don't waste too much time to keep it too clean. It's all about the experience. Over the time, you can find out which edge loop is best. Now select a polygon and expand polygon selection to seams. Start belt, and after that start relax. In this case, the relax is not giving us good result. We'll fix it later. Start belt, press commit. Keep repeating the same steps. All the UV island is done. Now go to Tools, then Pack UV. This will arrange all the UV island in a square box. We can activate the checker pattern from here too. Now based on my previous experience, I know that for organic shape, peel mode sometimes gives us the best result. So let's go for it. Click the peel mode and yes, it gives us the best solution once again. Let's peel all the UV island. Once done, don't forget to pack all the UV. Here we can see the UV are good, but it's rotated. We can rotate these one by one, or even better, we can simply align this horizontally. Let me show you a very effective plugin that I often use for unwrapping. And don't worry, this plugin is free. It's called Text Tools. You can find this plugin in scriptspot.com. After downloading and installing it, we can simply select an edge and press the align button. See, the island is rotated automatically towards select edge. Again, repeat this step until all the UV islands are aligned. After that, pack UV again. Here, notice all the UV islands maintaining some distance. This is the second rule. If UV islands overlap, we can have this type of result which we don't want. So from this tutorial, we learned how to unwrap kinda organic shape using pale mode. Also why UV islands must keep a certain distance from one another. That's it from this session. I will see you in the next tutorial.